Did you crack your favorite blush? I'll show you how to fix it. Just stay tuned. Okay, here's the messed up blush. It was a NYX Mosaic powder blush in Rosey. What I'm doing here is sweeping the excess powder back into the pot. Try to keep as much as you can, you know, not let it go to waste. Okay. Now that we have everything back into the pot, I put it into a plastic Ziploc bag, and I took a marker and I just started like punching, like poking it to break up the chunks that are in there, and do that for a pretty good while. I guess you could take something bigger and like pound on it, but I was bored and I had time, so I just did it with a marker. Oh, and that way, keeping it in the bag, like, you have no mess at all. Okay, so we have it pretty mixed up. Now we're going to take alcohol. This is like 70% solution, and I'm going to use a cap full and pour it in. I tried to make a circle, but it didn't work out too well, but oh well. And then after this, you're going to take that marker again, and you're going to start like, or whatever you want to stir it with, you know, and then just start stirring it, and then it's going to like cake up on the marker, and yeah, so just keep stirring it. Okay, we have everything pretty much stirred. I'm taking a Paris Hilton perfume bottle. I wrapped it in a pink towel, and what I did now is, of course, press down on it. After I pressed down on it, I like cleaned off the sides, and then I patted it down with my finger. That's not really necessary, but I did it anyway. And of course we're going to go back to the towel, and we're going to push down as hard as we can. We want it packed in there like sardines. Oh yeah. And it leaves like cute little squares, I guess. I don't even know, but and then give one last final whew. And there you have it. Look at that. Okay guys, it's been 24 hours since I let it sit out and dry. It doesn't smell like alcohol anymore. I just tried it out and it works perfect. So I hope this helped someone, and if you have any questions, just send me a message or leave a comment.